Hello guys, what is up? This is Moses William here. Thank you for watching this video and welcome back to my channel MW Design Strategies. After so long time I am creating this video, and in the previous months I didn't be able to post any videos because I was busy with the other things, so my apologies for that. But from now I will try to post videos on my channels every week. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and also if you didn't follow me on Instagram, then go and follow me. Also you can DM me there if you have any questions. I always active there. So let's get started with the story without wasting any time. The marketplace mobile app which I have created. So I will show you in this video how you can design this app and how you can build it yourself in this creative way. So let's get started. But what you have to do is, first of all, you have to create a new frame from the above tool. So let me just create a frame first of all, and you have to get the sizes from, you can also get the size from the sidebar. There you will get the multiple sizes. So for now I am taking iPhone 13, so iPhone 13 mini, and the size is 375 into 812. Okay, and first of all you have to select the layout, the layout grid. Okay, and then select the columns. At least 10 columns is eligible for this, for creating this mobile app. Okay, and the margin, you can keep margin, you don't have to keep any margin, just decrease the gutter, and because both side you need 20. Okay, 15 or 20 you can keep both side space. Okay, and then I think it's 22, so let me just again adjust the gutters. So once you adjust the gutters, let me just, yeah, it's now 20. So you just have to adjust the gutters and call the counts. Okay, so count should be always 10. And once you create this, now we have to create all our design within this columns. Okay, so what you have to do, just first of all unhide the gutters, hide this gutter, and now you have to drag a circle. Okay, create a circle like this. Okay, and on the side panel you have to, on the side left on the side right side you have to create text, because we have to write a wallet ID. So right here anything you want, any ID name. Okay, and once you add this, now you have to make it auto layout. So how I create the auto layout, just see. So click on Shift and A, then it will create a auto layout for you. You can see the side panel. Shift A, you will see the auto layout here, but without Shift A, let me just ungroup and show you again. So you can see here there is no option for auto layout on the sidebar when it is simple text, right? But the thing is, what you have to do, if you can't see anything, then you have to click on Shift A, then the auto layout will appear here, right? And then you can fill the text. Let me hide this. Okay, so you have to fill this and change the color. So background color we have to change. Background color should be the color that I have chosen. Let me get it from my original frame, right? Okay, now you have to round the corners accordingly as per your wishes. Also you have to adjust the auto layout from this auto layout section. So you have to adjust space, bottom space, forward and backward space. Okay, and so you can adjust it like this. So this is very simple auto layout. You don't have to create another rectangle and group that. it will a lot time consuming, right? So once you did this, now adjust your font. I think it should be 14. Once you do this, and go to Iconify and search here copy icon. So you will see multiple copy icons. You can get anything, whichever you like. So for now, let me get it one icon which I personally like a lot, like this one, or maybe something else like this one. So you can get any icon, like this one is also good. So once you get it, now drag it in your auto layout rectangle, and it will automatically adjust all the things. Now you have to create center line, okay, and reduce the font icon size a little, and the space should be more. You have to decrease space. Now it's good. Okay, so now here the image should be the color the same that I used in my design, so I think it should be, yeah. Again, create a circle for the image, for placing your image here. And for image, what you can do is go to content reel plugin, and here you will find multiple images, and doesn't matter if it's NFT or something else. You can just write here anything, any avatar, and you will get the avatar accordingly. So let me write here the 3D avatars, and you will see the multiple 3D avatars here, like this. There are multiple 3D avatars, you can get anything. So let me choose this one. First of all, select your rectangle and then choose any of the images, and it will fill your circle like this. Yeah, something like this. So now we have to create another section, which is the name, explore NFT, right? So right here like this, and increase the font size, make it bold. Okay, so it should be 37 or 38, and also make it regular for making it more better. And now we have to create the categories. So right here, recent, reduce the font size, right? Okay, and make it regular, reduce it a little bit more, like 15 or 14. And then another copy it and make it again auto layout, shift A, then fill this, change the color of your fill, and then the font color should be the white, right? And here we have to write top NFTs, and make the borders rounded. Adjust your auto layout like this, like 15, right? And create more categories accordingly. So for categories, let me just create and duplicate this, shift D, or copy and paste you can do. Right here, art or gaming, and you can also create more categories like fashion. And so once you did this, you can create another section which is called, make a little rounder this top NFTs rectangle, like 14. And now we have to add here another rectangle for our NFT. We're creating the NFT like this. To get the rectangle, so I created a rectangle here, and now what you can do is go to pixels, and here you will find multiple NFTs. So you can search any 3D NFTs, and you will see multiple 3D NFTs here. So just I search here the 3D NFTs, and you can see the multiple NFT images. So you can get anyone like this one. So if I copy this and paste it here, and make the corners rounded, and also you have to adjust it like this, because we are showing the new style of this NFT design. Okay, so create something like this, and another rectangle you have to create one more rectangle for the NFT purpose. And then one more thing is you can write here all the price of this NFT, okay, and the text. So let me just create a text here and write here 3D world, 3D world, and make it bigger, also make it bold, okay, and like this. So for also you can give some effect like this. So what will happen, like the text will be visible always. Also you have to write the price. So for price I'm just getting the price and Ethereum icon here, because I don't want to make it more longer video for you and just want to understand everything easily. Okay, my purpose is to just show you the design creativity, how you can build a creative mobile apps in Figma. Okay, so it's all about your own creativity as well. So it depends, right? So I also make this because to give you the inspiration, how you can use your mind in different ways. Okay, here, and second rectangle we have to create like this. Go just copy and paste this rectangle, right? And the corners and rotation should be the opposite, like this. And this should be, I think, make it white. And so here what we can do is we have to get another transparent image for this. Okay, so for now I'm getting the image from my file like this one. So you can get any 3D module from any of from online as well, or the best way how you can get this 3D objects, you can get it this 3D objects from the community. So go to community, you can see, we are seeing here the Figma community. So just write here the 3D objects and you will see the multiple files that that people posted on the community like this. So you can find the multiple 3D objects and choose any of the objects whatever you like accordingly. Okay, and so you can see the multiple 3D avatars. So you can copy the file from the above button and see and get the 3D objects, right? So this is the 3D object. Now the background should be blur. It should be 94 blur. Okay, and the fill should be little, reduce the opacity and make it make the color blue according to your theme. So like this, and reduce the opacity to 37%. And now we have to create the bottom bar. So for bottom bar you can again take the rectangle and make it rounder like this. And now we have to get this icons for the same. So you can make it black or you can make it white, or also you can give the effects, blur effects like this, same as we have given in this NFT rectangle, right? So reduce the fill. Now you can get the icons. Go to Iconify. This is the best plugin you can use for icons. So here you can search the explore icon and you will see multiple explore icon. You can get anyone, okay, whatever you like. Drag it in your file, in your frame. And now we have to create a circle again. Create a circle, adjust your circle alignment and spaces. Also align your bottom icon and make this circle black and the icon should be white. So same you can create for other icon. Go to Iconify and get the icons. For now I'm getting the icons from my same for my original frame because I don't want to waste the time for getting the icons. Okay, so I just want to show quickly here. So once you get the icons, you can copy and paste or drag it in your frame like this. Also make sure that the size should be the same and equal, right? So once we have done this, now we have to give another effect, which is inner shadow. So inner shadow should not be blur and it should be very light like this, I think 10, and blur should be little bit blur. Okay, not very much but little bit like this. So once you done with this, now we have to create another screen for the detail of this NFT. So that's how you can create the first screen which I have designed. So you can also create it by your own, right? And for second screen, just get the same, just copy your frame, and here we have to create this rectangles. The same, go to your first frame and get the same rectangle. Okay, and adjust your rectangle a little bit like this. You can make the color a different color, and this 3D object should be a little bit more bigger like this. And we have to create the arrow. So for arrow, you can go to plugins again, search for back icon. So you'll see the back icon like this one, or different icon you can choose. So once you're done with this, now we have to make it again auto layout. Shift A and you will see the auto layout, and then fill this accordingly. Okay, and adjust your auto layout. Okay, like this. Make it round. Okay, so that's how you can create this auto layout backward forward button. And now we have to create the slider for sliding the images. Okay, make it round, copy this, and duplicate your sliders circles. Adjust your circle sizes like this, and one of the slider should be selected. Okay, like this. Make it a little bit bigger for making it more visible. Okay, and now you have to write here the name of this object. So make the name bigger. The color should be, I think, more dark like this, and duplicate your object, and so you can give this kind of effect in the background, and reduce the opacity like this. And the second one name should be 3D 3D space, you can write, or something else. Again, adjust your text, and below we have to write more details of this NFT. So for example, created by, who created this NFT. Okay, so like this, right here the full name, created by, and the collection, right? And make it medium or semi bold. Another, we have to create the name of the created by name of that person, so make it auto layout, okay, as I told you, and make the round corners, and the text should be black. Right here the name, like for example David John or someone else, United 123, okay, and same for the collection by ideas from space. So the collection name, you can write anything, okay. So once you're done with this, now we have to create the another button for place bid, okay. For placing the bid, you can create the circle again like this one and make it white like this. Get the icons again for your card. You can write here bag icon, and you will see multiple bag icons. You can get any of this icon, for example this one. Adjust your icon size like this. And now we have to create the another effect for waves effect, right? So how you can make your waves effect? You can go to community, okay, you can write here waves. You will see the multiple waves shapes and 3D shapes here, and according to that you can create the shapes, okay. Like you can see this one, futuristic patterns. So you can get this pattern file from the community, and so I already get it. So you can get any of these objects and you can adjust it according to your needs, okay, like this. So I adjusted this in my file, so just adjust the colors like this one. This should be blue like this, and make the effects background drop shadow, okay. So here drop shadow should be more blur, so blur should be the color same as of your object, right. And duplicate your object again and flip your waves object, and if you see you will see the different shape of this wave. So that's how you can create this wave wave effect for your button like this. Also you can give the drop shadow to the rectangle, yeah, this one. So what you can do is give effect drop shadow, make drop shadow color blue, okay, and make the blur more, and now you can see the perfect button here and with the waves and the new style, right. So that's how you can create this. And the last thing we have to add here the price. So price, for example, I'm copying from a file to show you everything quickly like this, and make the color a little bit blue more like this, yeah. So that's how you can create this mobile app, NFT mobile app homepage and the detail page like this. And you can create it by your own, the different style, different layout, different design style you can create yourself. So just you have to use your creativity in the next level. So that's how you can create your multiple designs and multiple creative designs by your own. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video and learn all the design concept and design ideas. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe if you like this video, and also share this video with your friends. And so thank you, see you in next video, bye.